The kitchen is the heart of the home. And if you guys want cheap, great deals for your kitchen, you need to be checking out the Dollar Tree. These are my top 5 kitchen buys. First, I have 2 words for you. Betty Crocker. Dollar Tree has an entire line of Betty Crocker items, from kitchen utensils to plastic Tupperware. They have tons. It is name brand, it is good quality. If you want to be stocking up for your kitchen, you need to be hitting Dollar Tree's Betty Crocker section. Number 2 on my list is dinnerware. You can buy an entire set. They have all different colors. They have the plain white. I've seen square. I've seen round. I've seen the knockoff Fiesta ware. I've seen Rachel Ray, guys. Guys, these are fantastic. You need to be checking out the Dollar Tree, and I love that I can change them out. I've bought Christmas ones there. I've bought, I use these for around 4th of July and Police Week and different things. And I have other colors that I use for just random holidays, because for $1 you can afford to switch them out. Check out the dinnerware section. Number 3, glasses. From wine glasses to beer mugs and everything in between, Coca-Cola glasses, short glasses, tall glasses, all of the glassware. If you need glassware, check the Dollar Tree out. Okay guys, I know you've seen these things a million times in my videos. They are probably one of my favorite Dollar Tree items, but seriously though, their pot holders, their oven mitts, their towels. I love getting their towels. I love getting their holiday towels, like their kitchen section for Valentine's Day and Halloween and all those. And I like putting them in my kitchen and in my bathroom as my guest towels. It makes such a fun little accessory for $1. Oh my goodness, guys, you need to be picking up all of your kitchen supplies at the Dollar Tree. Last but not least, and this is kind of a broad category, but is decorations, from placemats to just absolute to holiday decorations to all kinds of things that you might want to decorate from. They have little farmhouse things to just whatever your style is. You can bet that they have something that's going to go with it and accent it. Check them out because it makes the perfect little decoration. You spend a lot of time in your kitchen, make it a happy place. Thanks for watching, guys. What are some of your favorite Dollar Tree kitchen items? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Be sure to subscribe. See you guys.